Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to find and add friends on Facebook. Why would you want to know how to find and add friends on Facebook? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook and not sure how to find and add friends on Facebook. So today I am going to show you how to find and add friends on Facebook. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Finding and adding friends on Facebook is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will find and add friends on Facebook. First of all, open Facebook app in your device and its Facebook homepage screen. Now first we will find a friend. You can also search a new friend or click on friend icon and then click on suggestions. And now in this list you can add any person in your friend list by just clicking on add friends. You can also search specific friend name and then add it into your friend list. So there you go. If you were wondering how to find and add friends on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.